In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion. If you've ever wanted to add a quick sketch, visual idea, or rough diagram directly into your Notion workspace, this is a simple way to do it. Notion doesn't have a built-in freehand drawing tool in the traditional sense. So the easiest method is to use a web-based whiteboard and then embed it right into your page. That way your drawing stays accessible alongside your notes, plans, or project content. To get started, open a web-based drawing tool such as Excalidraw or Whiteboard in your browser. These tools are great for quick visual thinking because they let you draw freely without needing to install anything. Once the site is open, begin sketching your idea directly on the canvas. This could be anything from a simple flowchart to a brainstorm, wireframe, or handwritten note. Take a moment to organize it clearly, especially if you plan to return to it later inside Notion. After you've finished your drawing, look for the Share button somewhere in the whiteboard interface. In most tools, this is easy to find near the top of the screen. Click it and copy the shareable link for your board. Make sure you are copying a link that can actually be viewed when embedded, since that's what Notion will use to display the drawing on your page. Next, switch over to your Notion document and click into an empty block where you want the drawing to appear. Type /embed and press enter. This tells Notion that you want to insert content from another source directly into the page. When the URL field appears, paste in the shareable link you copied from the drawing tool. Then click Embed Link. Notion will load the whiteboard right into your document, allowing you to view it without leaving the page. This is especially useful if you want to keep diagrams next to meeting notes, lesson plans, design ideas, or team documentation. If needed, you can resize the embedded content to fit your layout better and make the page easier to read. One helpful tip is to give the embedded drawing some surrounding context in Notion, like a heading or short note, so it's clear what the sketch is for when you come back to it later. Keeping your visuals organized can make your workspace much more effective. And that's all it takes to draw in Notion using an embedded whiteboard. Thanks for watching.